Hi viewers, today we are reviewing some of the best mechanical keyboards available in the market. We have selected these products according to their price, durability, and user satisfaction. Check the description box below for more information about the listed products. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more product reviews. On number 5 we have SteelSeries Hybrid Mechanical Keyboard. The Apex 5 combines the high performance and the click tactile feel of a mechanical keyboard with the extreme durability and convenience of IP32 water resistance. It is built from the ground up for gaming. It also includes a premium magnetic wrist rest OLED smart display and per key RGB. The Apex 5 is the perfect hybrid between gaming and real life. The Apex 5 combines the smoothness of a membrane switch with the added durability, performance, and satisfying tactile click of a blue mechanical switch for a premium gaming experience. On number 4 we have Razer Elite Mechanical Keyboard. You can save up to 5 configurations for use anywhere with a hybrid onboard memory and cloud storage. On number 3 we have HyperX Alloy Mechanical Keyboard. The HyperX Alloy Origins is a compact sturdy keyboard featuring custom HyperX mechanical switches. And it's designed to give gamers the best blend of style, performance and reliability. These key switches have exposed LEDs for stunning lighting with an actuation force and travel distance elegantly balanced for responsiveness and accuracy. Alloy Origins is built with a full aluminum body so it stays rigid and stable when keystrokes are flying. And also features keyboard feet that let you choose from 3 different tilt levels. On number 2 we have FIODIO Mechanical Keyboard. If you're into fast-paced games such as first-person shooters, linear switches will give you an edge. There is no dome to compress or click to overcome. The keystroke is consistent and smooth that offers unmistakable feedback when pressed. This mechanical gaming keyboard features 3 DIY backlight modes and 19 fantastic backlight modes. The brightness and lighting speed of the keyboard is available to change. You can choose the effect as you like. It has 104 key rollover with anti-ghosting design, ensures the most accuracy of your commands. On number 1 we have Corsair Mechanical Keyboard. A sturdy brushed aluminum frame with black anodization delivers a stylish modern look and years of battle-tested durability. It is 100% German-made cherry viola mechanical key switches offer smooth linear travel with fast and precise inputs. It has precision-molded PBT double-shock keycaps and shine with 1.5 mm thickness for rigid stability. A magnetic detachable soft textured leatherette palm rest easily slides into place through hours of gaming. Hope this review helps you to finalize product according to your need.